Closure on gold in 4 minutes.
Contacts and my contacts killing me here.
Yeah.
Yeah, NQ went straight to TP or smoked TP after.
No, it didn't because I was still in it.
No, I'm saying like no, so was I because my combine was still in it. No, I'm saying go look at NQ overall. It melted. Like it chopped around a little bit. Um, or we were ultimately right about direction. But
Yeah. No, it just well, timing was off a bit.
there's also no top wick on the 4 hour on
Gold.
NQ, and there's a good 30-minute closure and a 15-minute care package.
Yeah, I'm liking gold a bit better. I can still trade it, so I'm liking the gold closure.
You like gold better?
Yeah, just personally. It's the 15 can come up. I don't like that level on the 15 now.
Yeah.
Cute. I just don't like the chop we're in on NQ, dude.
No.
It's been just roughing us around. Yeah.
We had it. Go.
Yeah, that 4 hour melted like we thought, but
Yeah, with no top wick. I can pray and we can do a top down real quick.
All right.
Dear God, thank you for this day, Lord. Thank you for everything you've given us. Thank you for just allowing us to come here another day. Lord, continue to give us wisdom as we look at the charts this morning. Just continue to bless what we're doing. Lord, we love you and we're so thankful for you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. All right. Oh, let me put my glasses back on. Let's do gold real quick. So we are pushing up on gold. Close week bullish, excuse me, on the daily, but this one's just rallying up. The 4-hour looks like it's getting ready to just take off. I'm personally, especially next week and just throughout the rest of the year, I think we're gonna be pretty bullish on gold than any risk asset. So I'll be interested in seeing if we just when we start that kind of uptrend here, up in the 5,000s. But right now, we need that top wick on the 4-hour here, coming up and filling that previous 4-hour. So let's check the hourly. Got a pretty good closure on the hour. I did like this. Just didn't like that it closed up right here. Let me get another level set. I didn't like this level on the 15 that it closed right at. You know, we're rejecting this already, come back down and do the same, mirror this move that we had in the past. So until we get a closure above that, that'll be our confirmation to look for buys. We got the 30-minute that closed up nice. Strong bullish. Same with the hour, like I mentioned. Nice big wick, grabbing the orders down there. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for on gold. My zoom annotations. If we could get realistically on the 15, you know, a fresh support if we kind of want to struggle here. And then I do know we have news coming up. I forget what time, but I know today's news candidate.
Here in 15 minutes.
Here in 15 minutes, sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we want to kind of hang around or whatever, and then close up nice and bullish, and then take buys coming up. That's a crazy wick. To fill that range and also create the top wick on the 4-hour is what I will be looking for. Let's go to MQ. All right. So daily bearish. We close up, you know, fairly bearish. They're kind of still not up nor down. Just hung out in the range on the daily. 4-hour no top wick as well as on NQ, so we can expect that. For me in NQ, we're obviously gonna get pushed around a lot today, but this chop fest is not good. Right here you see we just barcoded, and until we kind of get up out of that, is when I'll be more interested. Like this is just a lot of traffic going on. But until we get kind of up out of that, I'm ready for clean moves like this right here. You know, that's when you take buys coming back up. So when you look left, you're like, okay, we're out of that chop. But looking left here, you're like, okay, that's tricky. So we were right about direction on last night's trade. Just timing was off. That hit take profit, but it's always good to kind of look back, take a mental note, and be like, okay, was I right about direction? Yes. And then on to the next. Let's finish this week strong. Yeah. So let's see. Let's drop down 15. 30-minute closed up, nice and bullish. We're just, like I said, kind of in this mess. So I want to be, unless something really, you know, wants to convince me, I want to be more observant in this level, in this channel here. But sales look better with the clean range coming down, but with that 4-hour not having a top wick at all, it makes it really tough to want to get into sales. We've tapped the targets here on the 4 hour. We're coming back up. Um, so we'll see what we can get. Realistically, um, if we come into high time of volume and it's looking like we want to make that top wick, if we come down, grab the lows, close back up above here, we can look to get entered in on buys coming up into this range. So that is what I will be looking for on NQ.
Mhm.
Declan.
Yeah.
So did you say that that trade did y'all take profit last night or did you get tapped out?
Tapped out, but we were right about direction, is what I was
Okay.
saying.
Okay.
Yeah, if you look, we got tapped in. It pushed up for a bit and then came back down. So um, yeah, that's just kind of what I was mentioning. Being right about direction.
Gotcha. But it was a loss though.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hanging.
It's all right.
Yeah, I'll stay around for this 30 closure, but then I'll unfortunately have to start getting ready.
You good?
I want to sit in there a little earlier today. I'm like, yes.
You got
Thanks.
another ride today
Yep.
on the home stretch.
Yep.
How's everything coming? Have you found a place you're gonna rent yet?
Yep. I was just, it's not official. Oh no. It's not official yet. But we filled out an application, and first floor apartment. So that is huge
Nice.
for us. And she was like, I think this may be out of the 150 property or units that are left. She get that like this that huge IMU apartment place owns. She
Mhm.
goes, I think this is this may be one of, if not the only first floor apartment left. And I was
Nice.
like, oh my goodness. Because I was at other places we were looking at too, it was like, um, it was third floor apartments. I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, having that piano going up 3 flights of stairs, yeah, no.
Yeah, dude, that piano was that was a bold decision. That was
I love it. Grace still plays it. Grace
I
plays it
know,
all
I
the
bet.
time.
I bet.
Uh,
That thing is just a hunk of furniture. How are y'all gonna move it? You can roll it, right?
yeah, it'll roll. You were there when we moved it.
Yeah, I just forget if we rolled it or I had to pick it all up.
We rolled it. We'll roll it, but we got a moving company coming to move us this time, so
Nice.
that'll also be a lot nicer.
Definitely.
But
Dang. Yeah, we got a lot of news.
yeah, there's a ton of stuff. Hmm.
Deck man,
So,
what were you thinking? Like, what prompted your comments on gold this morning?
I think with just the money printing this year, it's
Yeah.
gonna push assets up. I think gold will be
So
prices.
is that, do you foresee that being positive for trading or more difficult, like when gold was running up and it was slow for on gold last
I
couple
think it's
months?
positive. I think the last couple months was just like no one's ever seen that. I think it'll be a good steady push up. And it it would just give us a more of a buy bias. We've had
Yeah.
plenty of times where we've had like gold's ripping up, but we still have market structure, and we know that, and you're just mainly looking for buys, and you can really do well and milk it. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's just my thoughts. I just have a feeling that like anything asset related is going to go up in price,
Yeah.
like scarce asset related. So like gold, mainly gold, Bitcoin. I think prices of houses are going to continue to go up with inflate. Like I just think the AI is going to create. It's gonna.
Artificial inflation, LOL.
Yeah. I could.
Sorry. It's terrible.
Artificial inflation.
I love it. Hmm.
I think now that we're hanging up above the 5,000 range, I think we've gold created a good support at like 5,000. I think we continue rallying. I think we get into 6,000 by the end of the year easily.
It really
Duke.
on the daily too, once it closes above 51.13.
Yeah,
A lot
yeah.
of
Once you
clean
get up,
range on the
yeah,
daily.
for sure.
Hmm.
Duke man,
Look at this guy getting ready to go to school.
Oh yeah.
ready to go. It's cold this morning, isn't it?
Whew.
Yeah, got those sunglasses on though. Let's get it.
We got him into place, man.
Got them on. Mm.
Yeah, both NQ and gold look uh they both had the same sort of setup for buys.
NQ and gold.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's just now but those fit on the 30s.
they do.
30s look, man, that looks real good. It's like or not like well with other than like in the range, but like look how wonky the 15s look.
Oh yeah. No, the 15s are rough. NQ's about to rip.
Yeah. Where it's stuck. Gold's pretty gold's got some movement too. Holy. But all right, I need to start getting ready. I'll still be around, but you get up and get moving.
Sounds good.
Are we looking at micro NQ or regular NQ?
I'm just looking at regular.
Are you on something different or you're on top
Well,
one?
this is top one, yeah. So it's trading view. It's basically the same thing, but like I mean it's there's not much different on trading view opposed to
Yeah.
project, but the only thing that's really different is like when I set a buy stop, like it'll look. Huh, that's awesome. Golly. Of course. I guess not. I guess I was able to take a trade on this last night, but looks like there's a technical issue with Tradeovate. So confused. Might have to place it on this. Huh. That's real funny, AJ. Let me go run. Uh-oh. Be right back. We're down another rabbit hole about the Book of Enoch, or however you spell it. Enoch. Yeah, it's a crazy book. Or chapter. You should see what Alex Jones says on it. Jew. Close bullish care package. Not necessarily. There was technically a care package here on the 30, but you see how overextended the 15 is. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. We need like a fresh support, like a red candle. Let me get my. So what I'm looking for is like, yeah, kind of a fresh support like that, red candle. I know that's not the best looking red candle. And then a closure. Oh, let me go ahead and just start that over. And then a closure, back up above, and we could take buys coming up. So a continuation, yeah, in a sense. It would be more of like kind of a breakout. Continuation's kind of what we took. We barely see continuations, honestly. It's mainly your 30-minute or like a care package or exhaustion play or breakout. Continuations like where it kind of almost closes up. I'll just draw it out or show you guys in the Discord. Let's go to what a continuation play looks like. So you see how, yeah, no, they all look the same, man. Like I still can get confused sometimes. Dyson's better at being like, he's better at calling out the plays. I've always just learned like that's just not how my brain works. It's like I just know how candlesticks form and kind of have a feel. And we all take we take the same plays, but um I don't know. For me, I just like see how the candle closes, and I'm like, okay, I like that or not. Like I know that's a playbook setup or not. The continuation, you see how like this came down, this candle right here came down, created that bottom wick, closed back up above the resistance, but technically not like if it closed up here and if it was bullish, that would be an exhaustion play. But since it closed down here, still bearish, we take our entry right here off the break of those highs, and then boom. But yeah, that's a continuation. So if we like look at that, see how that looks compared to this. If this closed bearish a little bit, it would be kind of that continuation, like you said. So you're definitely right. You're all over it. Because we got this resistance. Boom. Close up like that. Break of the highs. Fairly clean traffic looking left. Very clean traffic looking left. We just need that fresh support. So Okay, so we got that fresh support. We're getting closure above now. This looks good to continue up. Coming into to 8:30, so see if we get it. Right back.
Yeah, that little support and then breakout below on NQ didn't look bad. Just no top wick on it,
Yeah,
especially since it's so bearish. Because I'm
it's
not
so
even
bearish. Yeah, it's just like that 4 hour is really tough for me to as well. But the
uh
hour is
yeah, and once like one thing that I've been noticing with NQ more is that it will it doesn't necessarily care if it's a late in the 4 hour candle about having a top wick.
yeah,
So it's like if it's so bearish or so bullish, it's like, hey, I'm
right.
not as worried about it. Now, if the hourly doesn't and we're fresh into it, yeah, I'm a little more worried. But with the 4 hour, especially when we're running into later time in the 4 hour candle, it doesn't bother me. It used to bother me, like whenever it was
Yeah, I
whatever.
agree
But
with
that's
you.
one thing
And
I've
then
just noticed here.
on the back end of the 4 hour when there's 30 minutes left and you're that bearish. No, like even if the 4 hour didn't, within I still would have liked that breakout play. You know,
You said you still what?
I still would have really liked that breakout play.
Oh yeah, it just needed a top wick.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I would have missed it regardless.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. And gold is just rallying for now, kind of. Um, it's weird. Did you notice it trade? Watch this when I try to. Hopefully, it's fixed by now, but watch this. Oh, they fixed it. Let's go.
what? Oh, I forgot that your top one account. I was like, what? Gold contracts are back?
No, but for some reason, that TradeAway and TradingView were having an issue with They fixed it though, because I wasn't able to set a buy or sell stop,
Oh, okay.
but we're good. We back.
Yeah, I can't wait for them to finally lift those restrictions.
I know, man. As soon as I do, I'm up in a combine.
Yeah, I'm opening five or whatever, four combines.
I know, dude. I do like that price is getting back to where, to normal. Um, it's just like now we need them to open up the floodgates, man.
I, I know.
Because
Uh,
NQ moves great, but it still doesn't move as well as gold does when when price action's good.
yes, it doesn't. I like NQ doing during New York session because it is vicious.
Yeah.
So if you can get a hold of something, that's why it's like I'm not really a huge fan of the counter trend trades. Um, because once NQ decides, it's going.
Yes, and that is
Like,
the
I
most
mean,
important part of when it does. When
yeah,
you
like
do.
it decided at 3:30 Central Time,
Uh-huh.
and it hasn't stopped or thought about coming back up.
Yeah.
So,
Do we have new? I know it's New York Open, but do we have new?
it's in 15 minutes, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Huh.
Yeah, I think NQ will be volatile for
I
a
don't I
little
don't
while
think
after.
yeah, I don't think I'm signed into my Tradeovate anymore.
To Tradeovate or TradingView?
Well, Tradeovate through TradingView is
Oh.
what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
I don't know. I think I got logged out because normally like I don't have the option to see my account anymore.
What can't you do?
Like pull this up and see my account.
Um,
Interesting. Yeah, because it doesn't have my trade from last night in it. Hmm. I'm just adding the login for everyone to see, I guess. Well, there we go. Haha. Getting so tech savvy, it's not even funny.
Look at you go.
Be proud of me, man. I'm making baby steps, but making progress with the tech savviness.
Love it. I don't know, I can't wait to hear more about
Oh, and
AI stuff
I
this
might,
weekend.
yeah, I might just stay in all weekend. AI.
That's what
I'll probably
that's
go to
what
the
I need to
Arkansas
do.
baseball game. Yeah, if you need any help, just let me know. If any of y'all need any help, just reach out, and I would love to get you set up. Because my next goal in forward strategy is to implement it into the Discord and teach you guys how to use this stuff. So
Yeah, be good. I am heading out though. I'll see y'all Sunday evening, 7 p.m. for Bible study.
hopefully I won't be sick.
Down bad.
All right, man. Have a good
But
day.
alrighty, I'll see y'all.
See ya. We got news here in 4 minutes. Let's see what we do. Brett, did you like lose the account or what happened there? Gotcha. Dude, I forget how blind I am without my glasses or contacts. Like I tried to look at the charts this morning. I can't even read what you just said on my fat monitor, like without the glasses on. It's crazy. It's all right. You can make bonehead moves on these prop firm accounts. That's what they're for. So I know Dyson was like, I don't mind that top wick on the 4 hour. The 4 hour not having one. This is kind of why, and this is like part of, everyone's got their own way of viewing the market within the playbook. It's like you get in sales there, and NQ literally whipsaws 900 ticks. And so down here we didn't have the bottom wick on the the top wick on the 4 hour, but now look at the 4 hour. We literally, in the last 15 minutes of this candle, or of the 4 hour, ripped all the way back up and made that top wick. So it can happen at any time. That's why I wasn't really wanting sales there. Market sell, yeah, it can. Butthole gets a little puckered. Bro, I'm telling you, man, we'll make it back. The markets aren't going anywhere. You gotta leave emotion out of this game, or you're gonna torment yourself. Like, if you need to take a step back and just hang out and not even take trades for a bit, then that's fine, and just learn. But you can't get worked up about that kind of stuff. You just gotta give it up. I know it's tough, but you can't be emotional in trading, and that's what you gotta get good at, is just trying to be a robot, you know, and just execute. Yeah. It's the furthest from a get rich quick scheme. It's the most delayed gratification type of endeavor that you can get into, just because of how kind of mentally taxing it can be at first. But um, you keep sticking with it. Time is on your side with this game. You just got to keep showing up every day. And one good month of trading these prop firms and really milking them when times are good. Like Dyson and I both took 10K each in payouts in the month of, November. So that right there, that 1 month made up for that 1 month can make up for 4 straight bad months of trading, which we've yet to get. This is like the first time where I've had a red month so far this late in the month. A lot can happen in this next week. I could end the month green, but it's why we have. I mean, I guess I should probably start, leading that. Like, we've got a 20 to 25% losing rate, because people expect it, like, oh, since these professional traders have been reading the market for so long that they never take losses. I know that's what I expected when I first got into this. And so whenever I saw those people on YouTube and take a loss live, I'm like, oh, these guys, they're phonies. They don't know what they're talking about. I thought, like, but there's literally no such thing as um as 100% win rate. Like, it's never happened. It never will happen. Um, so there's going to be red weeks, there's going to be red months. It's just part of the game. And if you can't understand that and change your perspective in the short term, then it's not for you, I guess. You gotta keep that long-term mindset. I know, like, TJR is a dude that everyone knows now. He's like he's the celebrity trader now, but he's transparent. And he was like, dude, in December, you know, had a losing month, lost 50K. January, another losing month, 50K. But February, 200K. Um, but yeah, dude, you're still learning. I think you're hard on you're too hard on yourself, man. Which I am too, and that's why I can relate to you. But just take a deep breath. It's all good. What you're doing one thing right, and that's all you can control is you're showing up and you're taking trades and you're learning. So just you'll be all right. We're melting. You guys have any plans for the weekend?
I headed to Austin tomorrow to New
What?
Braunfels. I headed to New Braunfels,
Nice.
hour south of Austin's.
What do you got going on there? I didn't know that.
I got the Vicari group deal.
Let's go. You pumped?
Yeah, I am. I'm
A little
excited
bit of
about
a
it.
little bit of both.
Yeah,
Gotta
yeah.
definitely not easy.
No. So do that, and so I'll get there, and then we'll start the retreat Sunday, Monday through 11:30 Tuesday, and then I'll head back, and I'll be here Wednesday, and then me and Mom head out to Florida Thursday for President's Club.
Shee. The President's Club. It's awesome.
Hey, let's go. Get
We're out
that
in
diamond
Florida.
in the ring, boy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was gonna mention this to you. I'll need you here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so we'll be back 3 on Sunday.
So funny. So funny. It's like, is he being serious? Blakely can do it.
Uh, Duke would love it, dude. He'd be so happy.
Oh, he would. I'll definitely. I'm gonna make an effort to come to Pete Ridge and see him.
No, Jacob. Sunday we come back Sunday the first. Sunday the 1st.
Oh, word.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because also the night before that's that next UFC card. So you're gonna want to make sure not invite Pops and Ruru over for that one.
Right. Seriously, God, that was brutal.
Mama's like, you guys stay for another round. No,
No, I'm like,
shut up.
another round and another drink for Ruru.
Yeah. Oh man.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that toast being buttered?
Nah.
No.
That's a top 10 satisfying sound.
That's an in-person type of sound. Too hard to replicate over a speaker.
Just a little sourdough toast, a little scrambled eggs. About to throw a little jelly up on that toast.
Nice. What sourdough is that one?
Man, it's that Arkansas food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
From the peoples, from our Illuminati bread people, whatever.
Yeah, whatever they got going.
Secret sourdough society.
Stuff is good. It's like I saw the ingredients. They use reverse osmosis water.
Dude,
But,
everything's based.
Yeah. Yeah.
Organic.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
That's like the first time I've seen reverse osmosis water like on the ingredients list.
I know, right?
How is reverse osmosis water based? Isn't that the opposite of based?
No, man. I'm saying the all their ingredients are based. Reverse osmosis. If you're not going to get spring water from Mountain Valley Spring Water, the best way to get all the shit out of your water is through reverse osmosis. It takes out the fluoride. It takes out all the chemicals,
gotcha.
Chlorine, all that stuff.
Gotcha. Because I'd always heard that Dasani was reverse osmosis, and I'd heard bad things about Dasani.
I don't know that Dasani is reverse osmosis. Maybe that's how they purify it. I don't know.
I feel
you're right.
I feel like that's what they claim. But anyway, I don't know anything about it. That's kind of what I had heard, and I wasn't really sure. More curious.
No, they just put it in microplastic bottles.
As a kid, we just drank it straight out of the ditch.
Yeah.
I don't know, dude. I'd drink it out of the hose, man.
Dude, we literally used to have a creek in front of our house, and there's a little pool right there, and it was all clear, and we just freaking guzzle it down.
That's wild. Love
Survival
that.
of the fittest.
Yeah.
But we were right on the base of the mountains, man, so it was just mountain runoff.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah, you didn't have any cows upstream or anything to give you giardia.
Oh, we definitely did.
Oh, damn.
We were in the middle of a cattle ranch, dude.
Well, that's the thing about, when we're on the trails, we'd carry liquid iodine with us because we'd get our drinking water out of the streams. But, that's how you get giardia is, if there's like cow feces or something in the water, you know what I mean? But it's pretty wild that like 10 drops of iodine, like this stuff right here, 10 drops of this povidone iodine solution can make water drinkable,
Huh.
Yeah, I've got some of that. I've got some of that in my my little survival pack. But it's like, yeah, one drop of it can purify I think it's a liter.
Yeah.
Like one drop.
Declan, that's what I gave to you for you to gargle with, and that's what kills COVID, flu.
Yeah. No, I don't. I mean, I was good. Seriously, after Sunday, I was still feeling kind of crappy. But Monday morning, like ever since, I've been fine. And the Tamiflu that they put me on was brutal. Like as soon as I take it, I just felt nauseous, and it felt like I was just super bloated, had to burp, but I couldn't burp. Felt like my stomach was about to explode.
Dude, I wish you'd have told me. Don't ever take Tamiflu again, man.
Yeah.
I
Well,
wish you'd have told me that.
that's what
That well, Zachary's gonna put. You know, Zachary's a normal. Like that's
I
just his
know.
thing, man.
Well, he tried to put me on something different. He was like, you don't. This is something starts with an X. He's like, um, go try to get this. You don't have the side effects of Tamiflu. Um, and they were out of it at the pharmacy, so I was like, give me the Tamiflu. So probably knocked off about a year, but
You felt good this week, though.
yeah, I've been able to get back in the gym and feeling good, go on runs and all that.
But you tested negative for the flu, right?
Yeah,
I don't know why he would give you Tamiflu. See, that
yeah.
it's
He's
just
like, yeah. He's like, you tested negative, but you have all the side effects. He's like, it's going around. He was like, just because you test negative doesn't mean you don't have it. It could be a false negative, is what he said. So he's like, we're still gonna put you on it.
What is this, a 5th grade science experiment?
I guess.
It's like, dude, why do you have the flu test? If I don't test positive for the flu, don't give me fucking Tamiflu.
Right.
Judas. What the fuck, dude? It's so stupid.
I know.
Just sweat it out.
I was like, for me,